Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today we continue with the training Social Media Management Zero to Hero. So today, inshallah, I'm going to show you how to create image content for your social media management business. So what you need Canva Pro, so that you won't have any restriction using any of the assets on the Canva website. Also, we are going to be using stock images, the graphics, the brand identity of the company, and you're going to be using slides with arrows or numbers, things like that. And also, I'm going to show you how to make your headline the first image. If you go to Canva, if you want to create Instagram content, some of the content you can post on Instagram, the very first one is the text. If you want to post text, the way to do it is that if you go to your Instagram account, for example, this is one of my Instagram accounts. So if I want to create content, I will click on create. Here and I can only see new post, new reel, because I'm on system. So you should be using your mobile app, the Android app or the iOS app. So there's a particular plugin, Chrome extension, that I can add to it. This is it, Insist. INSSIST, Insist. If you add this particular Chrome extension, here I can click on open Insist. With this now I can view my Instagram as if I'm on mobile. So if I click on this create now, you can see I have more features. Even with this, if I'm still on the phone, I will still have more features than this. So it is better to use phone in order to do these things. So if you want to create text, just click on story. When you click on story, you now click on create. You see a particular place, create. When you click on create, you can write text and you're going to post it on Instagram. This is how to make Instagram post as text. So the next thing there is image. If you want to post image, so there are two ways. You can be posting a graphics and you can be posting a stock image. For example, now if you go to your Canva account, you can just search Instagram, maybe Instagram post. Instagram post square, this 1080 by 1080, this is the one you should pick. These are so many templates you can pick. You can see anyone. If you are using Canva Pro, you can pick any one of these and use. So these are several images, videos that you can use. So as for me here now, I will just click on this blank. When I click on blank, I will come to this place. Under this design, then I can now search for something that is related to what I'm doing. For example, restaurant. So I can see so many designs. This one, I just browse through and view so many designs. So if you see the one you like, so you just change the color, the font, and everything to suit what you are doing. So this is how to get your Instagram post as image. That's for design. If you need a stock image, you come back to this element here. You can also search restaurant if that is what you are interested in. Restaurant. Then you come to these photos. Then you're going to see so many images here that you can pick. So if you pick this image now, you can see the way it is. You have to like expand it like this to cover the place. Then if you double click it, you can move it around the way you like. So I add another page. You can get another image. If I really like this, I can click on this. I can click on it, move it up, down. I can double click to move it the way I actually like. So I can also add another image. There are so many images you can just add here. So this is how to get, if you need a design, and also if you need just a stock image. If you want to download any of these, just go to share, download. You can see it is already in PNG. You can click on compress or locally so that it's going to be very heavy. Click on this, click on all. It's going to untick everything. Then you now click on that particular one you want to design. You want to download, and click on done and download. So this is how to download any one of these. So that's how to create your Instagram image. And for Instagram video post, if you go to Canva also, If you go to Canva, search Instagram video post, you can see Instagram post video 1080 by 1080. Just click on it. So these are so many video templates you can use. So as for me, I will click on this blank. After clicking on the blank, then I can now search for something that I want here, maybe restaurant. I can, okay, the spelling is wrong. Restaurant, you can see so many images, so many videos here. I can click on this. This is very nice. I can just drag this one here. If I should play it now, let's see. You can see you can edit, you can change anything you want to change. So look at the animation at the beginning of the video. So you can add another page. You can try to find another video that you really like. Look at this one. Look at the second one. So you can change any of these. So you can add another image, and there's so many videos, and just compare them to get with one another to get the one you really like best. So this is how to get videos that are designs. So you can change any of these. And if you need a video that is a stock, just go to element, you search for restaurants. Then you know, instead of going to photos the way we did, you just go to videos. Yeah, now you're going to see so many videos of big restaurants. So you can add another page and try to get another video, maybe this. So you click on it, you move it around, you expand, just the way you want. You can double click it and try to like feature the place you really want. So when you are done, any of these you want to download, either the first page, second page, or everything, just go to share, click on download. You're going to be downloaded as MP4 because it's a video. You can reduce the quality a little. You can see when you reduce it a little for social media, but when you do like this is the original. This might be too heavy for Instagram or Facebook. So you click on this image, just click on all to untick everything. Then you now select that particular page you want to download. And if you want to download everything together, just select everything. Everything is just going to be one video, and you download. So this is how to get your video for Instagram. As for the hashtag and the caption, of course, you are going to use ChatGPT to write that. Just come to ChatGPT, write hashtag and caption for a video on this particular topic, and it's going to write it. I've already showed you how to use ChatGPT to generate content before. So the next one is Carousel. If you come to Instagram like this, if you come to Canva and you search Instagram Carousel, you can see Instagram Carousel. You can see different kind of templates here, a lot of templates. Let's pick this for example and customize this template. You know, Carousel, look at this now. If you should, let's display this. Look at the first image. 3 ways to practice wellness, something depending on what you want. Look at the next one, second one, then the fourth one, then the last. Carousel. Then you are going to customize text that you have already generated based on your own image. So you are going to be doing this. So you should know how to edit with Canva to Canva. So just go and get a video, 30-minute video, and learn Canva very well from YouTube. So in order to be able to edit this, so this is what you are going to be doing. Look at another template. Let's get another template here. Look at this one now. Look at this one now. The title also in the first one. Here too. Look at the title. The title and this arrow is here. Here now you are using arrow, but here they are using number 1/10, as in they are having 10 images as carousels. So you make sure everything look nice. So this is how to, a lot of templates you can use it. That's how to get your carousel design. As for the reels, the same thing. Just come to this place, Canva, Instagram reels. Instagram reel, you can see so many reels here. You can click on this, the blank one, and try to get from the template. You can so many templates you can use depending on what you are doing. So this is how to get your reel, and you download the same way we mentioned. So it's very easy. And the story too, the same thing, just like the reel and the story highlights. This story highlights, what are they? If you go to Instagram, for example, let me just go to maybe I'm going to see visit their page, Millennial Mentor. These things you see here, these are the story highlights. Normally, if you post Instagram story after one day, 24 hours, the Instagram story is going to vanish, it's going to go away, it's going to get deleted. But you can still view it under archive. If you go to your archive, you can still see your stories that are not there again, unlike WhatsApp status. After 24 hours, even you that you posted it, you might not be able to see it again if it has been deleted from your phone. As for Instagram reels, after Instagram story, after posting after 24 hours, you're still going to see it under archive. So you go and view your settings to make sure that it is stored under archive. Sometimes it might not be there. You go to more, your activity or settings, privacy and security. Okay, story, this story settings. Okay, you can see saving. So save story to archive, you can see it is activated. So automatically save photos and videos to your archive, so you don't have to save them on your phone. Only you can see your archive. As in, after 24 hours, nobody can see your Instagram story again except you. So now, after posting so many stories, after 24 hours, it goes to your story archive. Now, you can do something. You can add what is called story highlights. These are these images you see here. If somebody should click it, the person can still view the story you have uploaded maybe 1 year ago or 1 month ago. You can see this one now. You can see 165 weeks ago. That's January 21st, 2020. That's when these people posted this particular story. So in order to make the story to be visible to people after so many months or so many years, then you have to like add them to story highlight here. So, and this story highlight, you can organize it in topics. So if you are working for a particular company now, this might be customer review, this might be what do we do, our services, our products, our anything, based on what the company does. So this is how you are going to choose these particular names here. So when you choose this name, you are going to actually design so many what's it called, logos or cover. We call this story highlight cover. So to represent, like this one, they are using maybe Bitcoin logo or something, this one TikTok logo or something. So you are also going to design this thing for the company. If you go to Canva, for example, write Instagram, or let me just say story highlight cover. Let's see. You can see different covers, you can see. So these are nice ones. So because I'm using Canva Pro, I can use any of these. Let me open this first one now and see. This is very nice. I really love it. You can see all of them here. You can see. So you can customize the way you like. You can change the color of this. Try to use anything depending on what the company wants or something like that. So you can just view a lot of designs, a lot. So just pick the one that resonates with you here, and you try to edit the color to go with the company brand. And so these are the story highlights. You can see that this one now is like image of call or something, share and things like that. Make sure it is relevant to what you are going to be writing here as the title. So when you have this now, you can do this on mobile. All these things, it is based on mobile. When you go to your mobile, you see how to upload your story highlights, how to change your cover, how to add the stories in your archive. So to different ones here, and have a lot of them here. You can see a lot of them. they have. The very first thing that you post the story, then you now try to create different story highlight with the story you have already posted. Either the story is still there within 24 hours or the story has already gone to the archive. You can still use them as your story highlight. So this is it. So these are some of the things you should know regarding Instagram post. So the same thing goes to Facebook. Just out the same way we have been mentioning all these things. You can use the same reel you use for Instagram, for Facebook, the same photo, the same video. You can use the same thing. There's nothing bad in that. So, and the hashtag and also the comment too. So there's something I want to tell you that is very important. You know, when I was showing you the Pinterest, you can see these ones. You go to Pinterest here. If you go to Pinterest here, you can get inspiration. If you search Instagram page theme layout, you can see different designs here. Different designs. Let me just preview. You can see the way it is. Very nice design. So you can get inspiration on how to make your Instagram page look. Depending on what you do, on your niche. Maybe you are doing it for medical or something. You can see different ones here. You can see here feed, ideas, aesthetic, business, fashion, black and white. Anyone you can see. Depending on the company, or this for jewelry, you can see. Depending on who you are working with. There's something I should mention here. If you come to this place, you can see that this post now, everything is looking like it's just one image. But they are actually different posts. This one post, this another post, this another post, this another post. How do you do something like this? It is called Instagram puzzle. Let me show you another one. Let me find another one to show you. Where a post is going to be extending to the other post as if they are just together and they are not together. Can I find another one here? Okay, look at this. Look at this. This a post. Different from this post. Different from this one. This is another post. This is another post entirely. But this image, the image of this girl is as if the image is covering this post, this post, this post, this post, this post, 6 posts together. So how do you achieve this kind of thing? This Instagram puzzle. There's a way to do it. Look at this now. Let's count it. We are having how many posts here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 12 posts together. They are having Instagram 12 posts together and everything is like one image. If you want to achieve this kind of thing, what do? Go to Instagram. If you go to Canva, if you go to Canva, you know that normally Instagram is 1080 by 1080. So you are going to click on custom size here. The width is going to be like 3, and the height as in the 3 images, just like the way we have it here. 1, 2, 3, and the height is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you are going to do here is that you are going to multiply 1080 times 3. Let's see. That's 3240. 3240. So here now, the width is going to be 3240. What is going to be the height? So times 4. Times 4. That's 4320. Here is going to be 4320. So you are going to click on create design. Now this is going to create the design just like what we have here for us. You can see. So now what is the next thing? I'm going to open normal regular Instagram account, Canva design. That's 1080 by 1080. Let me say Instagram post. Instagram. This 1080 by 1080. I will open the regular one. Let me open a blank. I will come to this element. I will just get a box like this one. Okay, I will extend it and make sure it covers everywhere. You can see this one is the width. If you look at the width, it's 1080 now. So this one too. The height now is also 1080. I will then copy this. I will come to this place and paste it. Paste. After pasting, you can see the place it is. Then I will come to this place. When you come here, just click down and drag. So you can put this one here. This one too, I will duplicate it and put it here. So I will come here again and drag like this. You can see. So of course, if I should duplicate this one too, it's going to be here. So now I will come up here and also drag down here. So I will just copy maybe one or all of them. Maybe one is just okay. I will take it here. I will drag this one to this place to create the roller. So I will duplicate this one too. I will drag. Canva is very intelligent. He knows what I want to do. So I will duplicate this one too. And that's everything here. Then I can then delete all this. So these are individual posts I'm going to be having, but I'm going to be designing everything together. Maybe for example, I can pick something like this. Let me see. Maybe I can pick something like this. You can see this like one image, but I'm going to divide them and post them separately, and it's going to like look very nice on Canva. So if this is my design now, totally, you can see that this image now is cutting across so many slides. So I'm going to just download this thing now. Download. I won't click this low quality. I want very high quality image this time. I will download. Okay. Now after downloading it, I will go to split. Just write split image for Instagram. You can see this post cron. So go to upload image. Close this one, this add. Then I will just drag image. You can see select or drag image. I will just click here and drag the image here. You can see my image is being dragged there now. As for the column and the rows, you know, I need 3 columns and I need how many rows? 4. So I will drag this thing here to the beginning. Let me press Ctrl minus to make it smaller so I can view it very well. So I will drag this one here. I will then do this thing like this. All right. So after doing it like this, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will then split the image. So I will download the image now. Download. So I will open the folder. I will unzip. So these are the images here. You can see it has been splitted for me. So the very first image I have to upload is this, then this, then this, then this. You can see if I should upload everything now, it's going to form, it's going to be together. It has numbered it for you. Let me just upload it for you so that you can see. So I will pause the video and upload everything and show you in order. All right, after doing everything, this is how it is. You can see, let me change the theme to dark mode so you can see it very well. You can see it here. Okay, let me make it smaller by pressing Ctrl minus so that you can see everything together. Look at how it is. So these are individual posts, but the way I've done it is going to look as if they are just one design. So this is a way, this is a way to design everything together. This is called Instagram puzzle. So you are going to Canva to design. In fact, some of the things, sometimes we can make individual design and then bring them together and let them look cohesive, just the way we saw it on Pinterest. All this design, they made it individually, then they brought them together to make sure they look so cohesive together. So when someone is viewing it, it's going to like, okay, this is very nice. So this is it. You can see the way it looks. So you go to mobile, let's see the way it looks on your mobile. On mobile phone, you can see when somebody is browsing through your feed, your Instagram feed, look at how it looks. Very nice, as if they are just one design and they are individual posts. So if you have been wondering how do people do this, this is how they do it. They go to Canva, they make the design together and they split it and they put in the order I've shown. So make sure you use this particular site I used, because if you are using other ones, then it's going to be very difficult for you to know the one you are going to post first, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. But this particular site, they will have numbered it for you the way you should post them. So, and that is the easiest way. So this is how to make your Instagram puzzle. So go to Pinterest and get inspiration of how you want your own design to look, and try to make a very cohesive design in Canva. So this is how to do it. So this is how to create content, video or image content for your Instagram. So I hope this helps. Thank you.